My name is Jenny Marcela Gomez Lozano. I am studying industrial engineering. Uh, I read description of this profession innovation. We need to decide and implement an attractive and insight to its web path in order to publicize its different touch of choice models for men. What are you protect it if generate the front test proposed innovation. Deal with profit and support and teach teams of registering these grants offering protection to tech offer guarantees each exclusive right to use it to identify goods or services or should authorize a third party to use in exchange for payment. What are you valuing this proposal? Would the remain appropriate its full technology licensed according means and correcting sport derived from each of property technology. Each proposal is excellent since webpacks are currently widely used and can be made from internationally causing an economic impact for each company. Under which conditions are you going to commercialize each value profile? This name of each company must be clear and clean. Each immanence of each forward must have quality to attract the attention of this buyer. Teach ut teach intellectual property license will valid for 1 year to quality staff for lawyer firm access risk of lease. Traded with fires or for just use maintenance and uptime of their wells.